Hi guys, today we're going to be making a cute little house for this cute little panda. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to fold this piece of paper and we're going to draw the house. So now that we finished the frame, we're going to draw parts of the house, like the door and stuff. We're going to draw the door and the windows. We're going to draw some curtains. Just like that. And we're going to draw a path walk. And some bushes. Just like that. Now we're going to open it and we're going to draw the same thing. Just now, except we're not going to draw the outside, we're going to draw the inside. So here, we're going to have two levels. Here we're going to have a kitchen. Just like that. And we're going to draw a dining table. Just like that. And we're going to draw the light. Now upstairs, we're going to draw the living room. We're going to draw a huge flat TV. panda couch. We're gonna make it be facing diagonal to make it look more realistic. And we're gonna draw some desks. And pots. Finally, on the roof, we're gonna make a big bedroom. Now that we have the bed frame, we're now going to make the pillows. After that, we're going to put the blanket. Just like that. So after we've done that, we're now going to make a desk. Just like this. So now we just have to add our character. So I'm going to do this again. So type in the comments below what kind of house should I do and what kind of character should it be. But for now, I think I'm going to do it a panda. House. You can choose how to color it when yourself. It really doesn't matter because creativity can go anywhere you want. Bye guys, see you in the next video.